A1 English listening. My favorite clothes.
Hi, I'm Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you some of my favorite clothes. This is my favorite shirt. My wife bought it for me 2 years ago for my birthday. I like it because it's comfortable and fashionable. I usually wear it when I go out with my friends. This is my favorite suit. I bought it last year. It was very expensive. I like it because it's formal and professional. I wear it to networking events and business conferences.
These are my favorite jeans. I bought them 3 months ago. I like wearing them because they're casual and comfortable. Yesterday, I bought this beautiful blue dress. I don't usually wear dresses or skirts, but I really liked this one because it was cute and cheap. Finally, this is my favorite jacket. I bought it in 2013 for my trip to Iceland. I got it on sale, so it wasn't that expensive. I like it because it's warm and comfortable.
Now, it's your turn. What are some of your favorite clothes? When did you buy them? Why do you like them?